Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that blends style, function, and a touch of indulgence: wooden mini bar cabinets. Whether you're a casual entertainer or someone who simply enjoys a beautifully organized space, a wooden mini bar can become a focal point of your home. Before exploring features, let's talk about why wood is such a natural choice. Timeless appeal. Wood adds warmth and sophistication that metal or plastic can't match. Customizable finishes. From natural stains to painted surfaces, wood adapts to any decor. Durability. Properly treated wood can last for decades and age gracefully. Tactile luxury. The grain, texture, and aroma of real wood create a sensory experience. A wooden minibar isn't just storage, it is a statement of craftsmanship. A minibar cabinet is more than a place to stash bottles. Think of it as a multifunctional hub. Storage. Shelves for bottles, racks for wines, and drawers for bottles. Preparation space. A countertop for mixing drinks or serving appetizers. Display. Glass doors or open shelves to showcase special bottles or glassware. Organization. Built-in compartments to keep everything in place, making entertaining effortless. A well-planned cabinet transforms entertaining from a chore into a pleasure. Where you position your wooden minibar sets the tone. Living room corner, a natural gathering spot for guests. Dining area, convenient for serving wine during meals. Home office or library adds a refined private club atmosphere. Outdoor patio, perfect for garden parties or sunset cocktails. Understair nook, clever use of otherwise wasted space. Placement influences how the bar interacts with your lifestyle and decor. One of the wood's greatest strengths is its versatility. Classic and traditional. Rich stains, paneled doors, and elegant hardware create a sense of timeless luxury. Modern and minimalist. Clean lines and subtle grain highlight simplicity and geometry. Rustic and natural. Unfinished or reclaimed wood brings warmth and character to casual spaces. Eclectic and artistic. Mixed woods, bold colors, or playful textures let personality shine. Whatever your interior theme, wood bends to match it. The finish of wooden minibar dramatically impacts its mood. Matte or satin, soft, understated elegance. High gloss, reflective surfaces that can feel glamorous and contemporary. Natural oil or wax enhances grain and preserves a raw organic look. Distressed or weathered adds history and a lived-in charm. Finishes aren't just cosmetic, they influence how the cabinet ages and how easy it is to maintain. Even without getting into specific designs, certain features can elevate usability. Soft close drawers for quiet operation. Integrated lighting to showcase bottles at night. Hidden compartments for rare spirits or valuables. adjustable shelves to accommodate different bottle sizes, built-in glass holders for stemware organization. These touches make a minibar not only beautiful but delightfully practical. A wooden minibar cabinet isn't just furniture, it is an experience. The sound of a cork popping, the glow of warm wood under soft lighting, the inviting scent of polished timber. These sensory details create a moment that goes beyond serving drinks. It becomes a conversational starter, a mood setter, and even a personal sanctuary after a long day. To keep your wooden minibar looking its best, dust regularly to prevent buildup. Use coasters or trays to protect against spills. Apply wood conditioner or oil periodically to maintain luster. Keep it away from direct sunlight or high humidity to avoid warping. A little care ensures it remains a cherished centerpiece for years. And there you have it, an exploration of wooden minibar cabinets as more than just storage. They are functional art pieces, blending practicality with craftsmanship and transforming everyday moments into special occasions. Whether you entertain often or simply enjoy a quiet nightcap, a wooden minibar adds warmth, elegance, and personality to any home. If this inspired you to rethink your living space, drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more home design insights. So until next time, happy decorating!